If you own items that still have a loan balance on them, consider getting rid of for something paid off without a monthly payment. For example, one of the most common swaps would be a car. If you want to trade your financed car for a cheaper one, you can follow these general steps. 1. Assess your current car loan and understand the remaining balance, interest rate, monthly payments, and any early repayment penalties or fees. 2. Determine the market value of your financed car by researching its make, model, year, mileage, and condition. You can use online car valuation tools or consult local dealerships to get an estimate of its worth. 3. Compare the car value to your loan balance. If the market value of your car is higher than the remaining loan balance, you have positive equity, which can be used toward purchasing a cheaper car. However, if the remaining loan balance is higher than the car's value, you have negative equity, which means you'll have to address the difference. For example, if you have a $20,000 car and the loan balance is $15,000, you could sell the car, pay off the loan, and end up with $5,000. You can then shop for a reliable used car for $5,000 and own the car outright without any monthly payments or stress that might come from having a loan. This could free up cash flow for other things or reduce the pressure on your financial situation. It's advisable to consult with a financial advisor or an expert in auto financing to guide you through the process and help you make informed decisions.